mga boss, so welcome back sa video natin. Today I'm gonna be talking about yung mga Facebook advertising policies natin. So may mga students tayo na nagtatanong sila kung bakit daw na-reject yung mga ads nila. Well, basically, we need to may guide tayo dyan, may guide tayo about that, about sa mga policies natin, sa mga advertising policies ng Facebook. That's the reason why na-reject yung mga Facebook ads na ginawa nyo for yourself or for your clients is because yun nga, may advertising policies tayo. So if to do that, you need to go to facebook.com/policies/ads. Now, it's really important if you are a Facebook ads freelancer, you need to understand and know this advertising policies by heart, kasi nga may mga clients tayo na hindi naman din may mga clients tayo na para bang ano matawag yan, wala pa silang idea with regards to yung mga advertising policies. So as a freelancer, as an online freelancer, we need to take advantage about this, kasi nga if ever na magpa-advertise yung client you about a certain brand or a certain product pero hindi nila alam naka-violate, at least tayo as freelancers alam natin nga, hey boss, I think you're doing it wrong, kasi yung ads na yung gagawin natin is for naka-violate siya dun sa advertising policy natin. So we need to really be the ones na parang nagtitake din ng mga advice dun sa clients natin, kasi yung mga clients natin guys, hindi yan sila updated dun sa mga policies natin. So of course, again, to do that, you can go here sa facebook.com/policies/ads, and then actually you can see lahat ng mga safe tsaka unsafe na mga advertising mga ads natin guys. So dito natin makita yung overview, tapos yung the ad review process, 'di ba? Kung mag-start ka ng ad, i-review pa yan siya. So ito yung dapat natin gawin. So may naka-guide din nakalagay dito na steps to take if na-disapprove yung ads mo. So simple lang talaga guys. It's really basic. You can just simply go to your ad account and then para bang mag-create ka ng appeal doon. And then, ito yung mga prohibited contents. So, number 4, dito nyo makita yung mga bawal talaga sa Facebook. So, as you can see, may community standards yung Facebook natin. If you're going to click that one, or you can click on Open New Tab, ito yung community standards natin. So, obviously, bawal tayo mag-advertise ng COVID-19 related na mga ads. That's a violation dun sa Facebook natin. So, and then, of course, bawal din yung mga illegal products. You can just simply read it here sa baba. Yung mga discrimination, tsaka yung mga tobacco or mga any related products. Of course, yung drugs, baka ba matukhang ka dyan. Unsafe supplements, mga weapons, adult products or services, yung mga pornographic images or videos or any content, adult content, bawal din yan siya guys. Yung mga third party na mga infringement, yun, tama ba yung pagka-pronounce? Basta ganyan. Tapos mga sensational content, bawal yan. Tapos mga mga nakalagay ito sa baba. You can simply read it sa baba. Okay, so misinformation, bawal. Non-functional landing page, ito yung pinaka-importante. Kung mag-add ka ng link, make sure na para bang kompleto talaga yun. Okay, so if you want to click here, actually you can see it naman here. So yeah, you can if you want to expound this, you can simply click on learn more, and then if for example this one, so learn more lang. So ito yung mga bawal na mga ads or any related dyan, so makita mo lang dyan. So it's very basic, and if you try to go back here sa prohibited content, yan, let's say for example adult content. So lagyan natin yung adult content. Ito yung mga bawal, mga images. So these are example na bawal talaga, and I mind you guys na if the Facebook will know na nag-advertise ka ito, hindi ka na makapag-advertise forever dun sa Facebook. So we really need to protect our Facebook profile, kasi nga ito yung pinaka-importante na profile sa atin na when it comes to if you want to become a Facebook ads freelancer. So even yung grammar guys, if mali yung grammar nyo, posible din na ma-reject yung ads mo. Like dito, avoid using this one. Like, ang daming quotes kasi tired of this shitty call service. So maraming may explanation yun guys. Okay, so just feel free to explore this part. And yes, yeah, ang dami talagang nakalagay na bawal ito, guys. So yun nga, as a Facebook ads freelancer, we need to know this. Medyo marami siya, pero you can just simply, hindi mo naman like basahin mo lahat, like, 'di ba? So kailangan para bang you need to understand lang. So video ads, ito yun. So yeah, feel free to read this if may time kayo, guys, para para mag-guide nyo rin sarili nyo and yung mga clients niyo to with regards to these types of ads na may naka-violate doon sa mga advertising policies nila. So yeah, I'll be sending this link doon sa comment section, and if you have any questions, just feel free to comment in this video, and stay safe, mga boss. God bless.